I'm going, Mom.
All right, what is it? What's it gonna be?
I hope it's the guy I did. Who is it gonna be? The first one is we got a black bed. Let's see what's in it.
Need some help?
This one feels pretty light.
Need some help?
What's in it? Open it's the one that I get.
Here, open it up for. What is it? Who is it?
It's Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Let me see. Let me see.
So cool. I was hoping for Iron Man the whole time.
Yeah, but now you get to open it.
Oh, you're so sweet, buddy. You open it for me.
But
All right, look, we got one Iron Man. He's so cool, right?
Yeah.
Who else do we have? Wonder who this one's gonna be.
I hope Daddy gets the Ultron or Vision.
Let's open it and see.
How do you even get this part?
Here, use two hands. There you go. You want me to get the bag?
Oh, you open it.
What do you think it's gonna be? Wait. Guess who it is?
Who is it?
Open it and see.
Who is it? Who is it? This is what I was hoping for. It's Vision.
Let me see.
You were wanting that Vision the whole time.
Yes, but I got him.
Yeah.
Without 20 cans. Put him right there.
One more box.
All right, and this one's just gonna be a surprise.
It could be anything.
It could be any of them, honey. Iron Man and Vision.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Excuse me. Who is it? Who is it? Who is this? I hope it's my favorite guy. I hope it's Ultron. Who is it?
It's the. Who did you say you wanted on your way home?
No way.
That's who you said on the way home you wanted was Hawkeye.
Let me see.
Remember?
Let me see. Nice.
You got.
Iron Man, Vision, and Hawkeye.
Turn them around so I can see them this way.
Iron Man and Hawkeye.
Perfect. I love them. Thumbs up. Lucky guy.
Say thanks.
Thanks.